niguo maundu mekuhanaga. Thiku ya mbere riria minista wa ugima wa mweri Aden Duale ekinyirie wabici-ini. Arigitani aya aria matungatagira arwaru mari rungu rwa mubango wa UHC matabanirie mururungano na megwikinyitie wabici-ini ici riria Duale ekwamukagira matamu ma utongoria ministry-ini ino kuria mainire nyimbo cia gutetia ministry kumana na mathina maria makoretwo makigerera maria ni hamwe na kwaga kuheo wira wa gutura ona thengia wa kuiguithaniria na thirikari.
Ajua hatubanduki, mtupe nafasi asiseme asikii maneno tunaongea, ndio.
Ona kuri uguo Duale ni ehoete aheo thiku 21 niguo atabanie cikaro itiganite na anyiti itemi sekta-ini ino, undu uria ugite ni ukumuhotithia kunyorokia na kunina mathina maria macungagiriria ciama cia arigitani gutabania mirurungano ya mahinda kwa mahinda.
All of you people will get a fair treatment at the headquarters as long as I am the Minister for Health.
Hamwe noguo Duale augite gutire mathiri mariyonganagiriria megemaine na marihi ma SHA amu Thibitari iria iraheana motungata rungu rwa mubango uyu iriamukagira marihi mao ihinda-ini ria thiku 14 oro mweri.
Those who use a biometric fingerprints that don't belong to the original person, and if I am pushed to the wall, there are institutions in this country, not the Ministry of Health, that deals with the fraud, independent institutions. We will push their names and we will push their facilities, entities and locations.
Oho ni arire a Kenya ministry ino igukorwo iri kirorerwa amu ni ekung'ethanira na aria makoretwo makimicokia na thutha kuria ningi oigite ni ekunyorokia maundu mothe niguo gutigirira a Kenya ni magia na mwihoko na ministry ino.
When an audit was done on the system of NHIF, a forensic audit was done, 3 million fake people who are accessing NHIF resources were found out.
Duale hamwe noguo oigite ari na ucamba wa gutwara ministry no gikiro kia iguru ona thengia wa gukorwo weti murigitani.
Ule atalete jam Ministry of Health either atoke ama bulldozer yangu ibebe yeye.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Anywhere you find me and I will give you the right answer. I will not tell you the wrong answer.